To fix mouse lag and stutter in Windows 11, start by identifying the causes of the issue. Mouse lag and stutter can be caused by outdated or corrupt drivers, insufficient system resources, or interference from other devices. First, update your mouse drivers by opening the Device Manager, expanding the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section, right-clicking on your mouse device, and selecting Update Driver. Next, adjust your mouse settings to optimize performance. Open the Settings app, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section, and click on Mouse. Adjust the mouse speed and pointer precision to your liking, and ensure that the mouse is set to use the recommended settings. Another common cause of mouse lag is resource-intensive programs running in the background. To address this, open the Task Manager by pressing the Ctrl-Shift-ESC keys, and sort the running processes by CPU or memory usage. Close any unnecessary programs that are consuming excessive resources. Additionally, consider disabling animations and visual effects to free up system resources. To do this, open the Performance Options window by searching for it in the Start menu, and select the Adjust for Best Performance option. Interference from other devices can also cause mouse lag. Try disconnecting any unnecessary USB devices, and consider using a wired mouse instead of a wireless one. Finally, ensure that your system is running with the latest updates by opening the Settings app, navigating to the Windows Update section, and checking for any available updates. By following these steps, you can identify and address the causes of mouse lag and stutter in Windows 11, and enjoy a smoother and more responsive computing experience.